Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The next report that you will learn to create is the Client Ledger Report. This report will allow you to view the individual transactions that have been attributed to the Client Trust Liabilities account. Within this report, the source name column shown will be the payee field for checks written and will be blank for deposited amounts received. If you need to change the name of this column to payee for reporting purposes, you can easily export the report to Microsoft Excel, where you can then rename the column and print the report. To create this report in QuickBooks, start by creating a custom transaction detail report. You can do this by selecting Reports, Custom Reports, Transaction Detail from the menu bar. In the Modify Report window that appears, click the Display tab to add columns to the report. You will need to add the source name, debit, and credit columns by ensuring that those fields are checked within the columns area. You can uncheck the name, account, class, clear, split, and amount fields. In the area to the right of the columns, select Customer from the Total By drop-down menu to show the transaction details totaled by customer. In the Report Date Range section at the top of the tab, use the Dates drop-down to select All. Next, click the Filters tab to filter the report. Select the Account filter and then use the drop-down to select the Client Trust Liabilities account. You can then click to the Header and Footer tab and type Client Trust Account Liabilities Ledger into the report title field. When you are finished, you can then click the OK button to save your changes and preview the report. You can then memorize the report to save it as a custom report for future use.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.